Bago pa kayo na-confuse, na-clarify na nila agad. That's one way of taking care of our learners. Kasi kung na-confuse na siya, mawawala na yun. Hindi na siya, madi-disengage na siya sa session. Sayang, di ba? So hindi na siya makakapagtuloy ng learning. Next would be mini reviews or mini summaries. Nakita namin ito on most of the subjects. Halimbawa, after yung category of vocabulary words, meron itong mini listahan ng mga nadaan ng words at tumatawag siya ng participants to sign those words. So, it's one way of building recall. Maganda yun. At sana ma-apply din natin across all subject matters, subject areas, sorry. Last would be CM. Huwag tayo matakot mag-CM. Although we are all adult learners, may mga CM or classroom management techniques na nag-work pa rin. For example, attention grabbing, yung friends.
Yes.
Attention grabbing yun. Kasi we want everyone to be involved and engaged in the discussion. Settling slide decks. Okay po ba yun? Ito, this is